to another episode on Maxlit TV. I'm in the garage right now because it's raining outside. Look how pretty those wheels are. Ooh, this is on review. I haven't even posted this on Instagram yet. But anyway, yeah, you see this box next to me is as tall as me. It's our BCL wing. Went with the 1850. I joined the crew. 1850 Club. Big Country Lab Wing. Unboxing it. I didn't get it brand new. I got a sweet deal for this wing off some dude in Connecticut. He had it on the S14. But we're unboxing this and I'm beasting to see this because I didn't open it all weekend. I've been busy with the RX-7, putting in the chassis harness and all, so I'm gonna start unboxing this. Looks like we also got the big end plates on here, as you can tell. Which I really like the Dermalution end plates. Look like fangs, but these are badass. These is the same end plates that Forrest Wang, James Dean run on their S15s. And who else? That's it I can think about the top of my head. And then
has the Devolution in place.
looks like the, what do they call the I forgot the angle plates, but he did a really good job packing this stuff. Here's the wing itself. By the way, it's a fiberglass wing, not a carbon fiber. Sweet ass wing. 1850, which is in inches 72. Sorry, 1850 millimeters, which is 72 inches. Let's check this out on the RX-7.
Holy shit. Yeah, it's low.
but it's definitely gonna be high, way higher than that. Most likely it's gonna come like up to all the way up there.